Hi everyone, my name's Emily. I hope you're all having an awesome, rockin', fun, amazing, spectacular, lovely day. We're back for part 2 of the One Direction makeup line series, Take Me Home edition. This theme for this makeup kit is yellow, so got my yellow barrettes in. I know this shirt isn't yellow, but it's the Take Me Home tour shirt. All the makeup in this one, like the last one, is also named off of songs off the album. So let's see what we got today. Oh no, we have another nail polish that I didn't put on. It's Live While We're Young. You know that single off the album? We got another mascara that's probably expired. It's Little Black Dress again. This isn't, what, did they just like, oh. I guess they were just like, oh, let's name all of the mascara and all the makeup kits the same thing, even though they weren't a single on the album. Anyway, moving on. Let's see our eyeshadows for this evening's look. Oh, we can actually work with the colors in this one because they're like neutral and they're not like blue and pink. So yeah, changed my mind. Take Me Home, Come On, Come On, Back for You, and Little Things. Let's see if our lip color is actually decent this time. Last First Kiss, a bop. It's like a peachy color, kinda. And then our lip gloss is like orange, which is fun. And it's Kiss You. And our eyeliner for this evening, we got a nice neutral brown color. And the title is I Wish. I think that was a song off of Up All Night, but it's fine. We're just gonna ignore it for now, because why not? And we got our stencils again. Let's see what we're gonna do this time. They look like the same shape, so that's, look, I think it's pretty much the same shape, so yeah, let's go. Queen, triangles, Illuminati, arrows, diamonds, and lightning bolts. So we've been new. You know what, even though lightning bolts are drawn as yellow too, I think we're gonna go for a little like queen moment, even though I didn't follow it and I should have. We have some options available to us. And it says, create your Take Me Home, the Girl Next Door look, plus many more. So you know what? Up All Night was a party girl look. Take Me Home is like the girl next door that you want to take home, I guess. Midnight Memories is certainly gonna be something. Let's see what we got working for us today. So we got like, just like brown, brown, brown. All right, so I'm gonna do the face makeup and then we'll dive right in. All right, I'm back. I'm sorry. I overdid it with the baking today, so we're a little white. Anyway, moving on. Let's kick it off with this nice little eyeshadow palette. You know what? These are ideal colors for a cut crease. So we'll dip into the lightest shade, which is Back for You. All right, nothing's happening. Sick. Next, we're gonna dip into Come On, Come On, which, if anyone has seen the iconic video of Louis, Harry, and Liam doing their little dance to Come On, Come On, really kicked things off for the band, I think, but who's to say? These are the shades I needed last time. And they were like, no, you're gonna get pink and blue, because that's a party girl. And you know, the boring girl next door only wears brown, apparently. Stupid girl next door, basic boy. She doesn't, you know, she doesn't do anything, just puts stupid brown on her eyes. Probably reads books all day. Well, you know what, One Direction? I'm gonna show you that the girl next door is just as cool as the party girl. All right, now we're gonna bump into Little Things for our darker shade. What? Favorite song off of this album? It is my favorite, everyone, so that's a very hard decision to make for me. But it's definitely a tie between Heart Attack and Nobody Compares, which Nobody Compares was on the deluxe yearbook edition, if anyone bought that one. But yeah, you know, like Heart Attack, it's got like the little like, ow, and then like nobody compares. It just like sounds like a cute little like boppy bop, and that's why I like those two. This album also had a lot of like spelling in it, so you know, if you need to brush up on your ABCs, highly suggest Rock Me and what was the other one? I Would, because you know they give you a nice little spelling lesson. So like any of you kids out there, if you're watching this, apparently, you know, hit the books. And by books, I mean listen to One Direction's Take Me Home album. So, you know, I would love to be sponsored by One Direction. If you're ever looking for a girl to like sponsor your product, I'm here for you, because, you know, this makeup, bomb. Time to cut that crease. Here's what I'm thinking, because now we know, okay, we experimented, and now we know that this middle shade is always going to be a cream for some reason, but I like changed my mind for like the cutting of the crease, and then we could do this for our little crown. It's perfect. I'm gonna use the sponge, okay? Okay, we're gonna dip into this little boy. Nope, guys, wait. Watch, I can zoom in on this. Hold on. Look at that zoom. Oh no, isn't that fun? You know what, I may have to cut with some concealer. And usually a cut crease, you like have to use the concealer anyway, so. Now we blend with some more little things. Okay, we can finally take off all this baking. We'll go in with Come On, Come On, because that's what they recommended in these step-by-step instructions, so let's try it out. Okay, next up we're gonna delve into that, what was it? I Wish? Pretty sure, yeah, we're gonna delve into that I Wish eyeliner, and we're gonna try and make a wing out of it. We'll see how that goes. They also wanted me to put this in my lower lash line, but since it's 5 years old, I don't know about that. So I'm just gonna use a more recent eyeliner that's like a nude color, you know, keeping with the Girl Next Door look, you know, not too crazy, because we all know the Girl Next Door never does anything with her life, so she's just boring. And remember, you don't want to make your wing too intense, because we all know the Girl Next Door would never do that. Okay guys, so I put on my lashes and highlighter, and I think that's it. Oh, I also added some blush, because you know, girls next door are never confident, so of course they're gonna blush every time they see you, because you're so attractive to them. Let's seal this deal with some Last First Kiss topped with Kiss You. Get it? They're on your lips, so they're kiss related. Okay. You know, compared to Up All Night's like vibrant pink, this is like a nice neutral pink, and I'm kind of digging it. Time for some orange on top of pink. Oh, it makes it like peachy. Cool. Instead of me getting up to you, I could just, haha. Here's the final look. Honestly, I like this look. Oh, sorry, I'll zoom out. Oh, I zoomed in. Honestly, I like this look better than the Up All Night look. So maybe the Girl Next Door isn't so bad than the Party Girl, okay? I'm just saying. It's not like I'm the Girl Next Door or anything. Oh wait, I didn't even do the crowns yet. What am I doing? Hold on, everyone. Hold on. We're not done yet here. I tried, okay? Do you see the effort? Oh, they're two different angles. I tried. That's all that matters. I will say, I like the makeup better. The makeup choices in this kit better. But I like the stencil application in the other one better. They're the same stencils, but I like that you can actually see the stencil in the other kit better than you can in this one. Even though it's a Girl Next Door look, I like the brown better because it's easier to apply with. It's easier to blend with. Did you hear that? Calliope, what? Do you want to come up? Calliope couldn't handle being alone, so. Oh, you got something in your eye. Can I help you get it out of your eye, please? High five. That's not a trick, she just doesn't want me touching her face. Can I help you get it out, please? Are y'all hearing this? Are you talking back? Shh. It's okay. So, overall rating. Is this your outro? I guess it is. You want to take it over? Okay. Okay, take me home. Favorite album? Favorite makeup kit so far? Let's see how Midnight Memories does in comparison to the other two kits. It's red, so it's a little bit edgier. And we'll see whatever video I post next. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye! I know. 100%. Right? This is just the better album. Of course. One Direction's Take Me Home era? The best. Okay, well, that's it.